Good day, consultations. Welcome to the world of robotics. Hi everyone, I'm Jailu Briones. And I'm Junasol Pasa.
This is Maria May Casaria.
And I'm Kevin Kago.
And I'm Jubel Villarin.
And I'm Isa Del Rosario.
We are from the BSIT 1 Block A.
A avoiding robot is an intelligent device which can automatically sense the obstacles in front of it and avoid them by turning itself in another direction. Do you know what are the materials and tools that we use?
Yes, Ginecell. Glue stick,
Battery,
electrical tape,
CDs,
soldering iron,
screws,
cardboard,
scissors,
screwdriver.
and glue gun.
How sensor is important in Arduino obstacle robot? Sensor is important role in detecting the obstacle in front of it.
No obstacle robot components and supplies are
Arduino Uno and Genuino Uno.
SparkFun mini breadboard,
SparkFun Dual H Bridge. Motor drivers L298.
ultrasonic sensor HCSR04,
Servos.
DC motor,
4AA battery holder.
jumper wires.
And one 9 volts battery.
Thank you.